morning guys, and welcome to another misty morning. No, we're not going to a car show. Like I said, car show season for me pretty much is over until next year, but we are going to a drift event. We're going with Max and his dad Dean, who we met when we went and did the pro drift experience that was set up at Donington Jap Fest. So those guys have invited us down so we can go down and film some drifting action basically. Why not? Why not throw that in at the end of the year? So we've got all the gear in the car that we need. I'm just going to go and pick up my dad. I know how much you guys have been asking for my dad in the videos because you really enjoy it, so that's going to be pretty cool for you guys to see. Plus I always enjoy going to shows with him. So right, let's set off, and if I don't see you before, I'll see you through. I'm not saying that, I'll see you there. We're now at Three Sisters Circuit. We met up with the guys, Max's, I think he's still out. We're getting some warm-up laps in. The sessions are underway, people are out drifting as you can hear and see. There's already been a casualty. Well, it's a casualty like the guy's okay, don't worry. But he was tandeming with his teammate. I don't know what happened, but me and my dad were sat in the cafe having a breakfast sandwich, and tyres just flew up everywhere. Bad luck. I suppose that's the risk with this kind of game, but I can't wait to get some better shots of these guys going around, as well as hopefully getting inside with the helmet cam so you guys can see as well. Right, so Max has come in from the first session now. We've just got his car sitting here. Just going to have a little chat with him and just look at the stuff that's been adapted and modified on it to make it drift worthy basically. You can see that it's fully caged. We'll have a look at that on the inside. It is literally purpose built to make as much smoke as possible. This is Max, everybody. You've probably seen him from the previous video that we did when we were at Donington, weren't it? You were last
that was amazing.
Yeah, such a good day. So this is your baby basically, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what are we looking at engine wise? Is it the original one that was in it, or I know nothing about BMW
It's
stuff.
been swapped from an E36.
Right, okay, yeah.
2.8 litre.
2.8 litre, right, oh brilliant.
It's running about, I think, 230 horsepower-ish.
230, that's a lot more than, well, it's at least 30 horsepower more than me, and you're going sideways in it, so that's brilliant. Looking at the engine, is there anything that that's been changed with it compared to standard?
Well, radiator obviously needs changing. I'm not a great mechanic, or
I'm just as bad.
But it's had a few stuff done. Obviously, it's got like exhaust and stuff.
Yeah.
Loads of different bits from different things, sort of. Because when you're in drifting, things sort of break all the time.
Oh, you're going to be prepared for that.
You're not meant to slide cars.
No, of course. Yeah, they're not built to do this originally in the car factory. So.
And it's had like obviously a lock kit, so I can just get more angle.
Yeah.
And it doesn't snap. Obviously, we've had a few problems with that here actually.
Right. Okay.
And obviously on the inside, we had a few sort of modifications.
Yeah, it's pretty much gutted.
There's nothing in there.
No. There's 2 seats, harnesses, and a steering wheel, and a hydro.
The hydro is we got it from Driftworks. It's really good.
Yeah.
Like come into the corner, pull it, instant lock up your wheels.
It's full on. It's literally next to your hands as well, which is awesome.
Yeah, so I can just shift and bang on the hydro.
Straight on it, and then there's literally nothing in the back other than cage and harness, and that's about it. Sparko steering, that's quite nice as well, Alcantara. That's a nice steering wheel.
Yeah, we're in a deep dish, but
yeah.
I'm steering here.
Up against you.
Yeah,
just like
I'm so small, I'm so far forward.
Yeah. So it's set up, I'm guessing, are these locked in position as well, these seats?
Yeah, they're also very light.
Yeah, lightweight OMP, so they're quite nice. I'm eager to get in them. And then in the back as well. So we're having to shout just because people are just sliding all over the place around us, but we'll be out in a bit anyway. But I'm guessing this originally came with a spare wheel, which you don't need now. So
we can kind of fit a wheel in there, maybe. tricky.
Yeah. But other than that, it's all about weight reduction, and the wheels are quite nice as well.
Yeah, they're the E30 rims. You can see most BMWs, like on this one here.
Yeah, that's a good example.
BMWs have them.
Yeah, so it's that traditional E30 wheel.
Yeah, they normally have the sort of centre caps in, but they're actually quite expensive, so I don't want to drift in with them.
Oh yeah, cool. Well, you don't want them flying out on track either.
Also, they don't look amazing.
They don't look drifty. Is this on coilovers as well then, I'm guessing?
Yeah, we just went to Side Motorsport and got some springs and suspension setups. You can see I've got a lot more track width since my car before, and I can only just fit my fingers in there.
That's, as they say in the game, good fitment.
Not Forza fitment.
No. Other than that, we're going to get ready. I've got a passenger wristband, so I'm all set to go out. I'll try and get the GoPro set up on the helmet. Matt, are you vlogging as well today, Matt?
Yeah, I am vlogging today.
Brilliant. So there will probably be 2 videos of this event. So I'd suggest you go and check that one out as well. But yeah, next video you'll probably see us through the helmet cam. So we'll see you then.
We show up in the party, flyer than everybody. We show up in the party, flyer than everybody. We show up in the party, flyer than everybody. We show up in the party. We show up in the party. We show up in the party.
Hopefully the videos did that justice. Sitting next to Max drifting is like sitting next to a fully grown adult professional. It's hard to get your head round the fact that he's never driven on the road or anything like that. The talent he's got is unreal. We just checking the chart of the car once over because the back was looking a little bit low. We think they were getting a little bit of a tyre catching on the wheel arch, so I think we're just trying to diagnose that at the minute. But then about 15 minutes or so, he's going to be going back out. I'm not going to go back out this time. My dad's going to go. My dad's never been in a drift car ever. I can't wait to hear his reaction. You'll probably hear him through the GoPro if anything. But yeah, that's going to be brilliant. What we'll do as well is there is some quite nice cars here anyway in general. We'll try and have a look around at the other drift cars, but there's some nice cars parked up. I've seen R32 Skyline parked up, MR2s, Focus RS. There's nice stuff, so we will do a little bit of I won't say a montage, but we'll have a good look round, 100%. So, just a quick recap on what's going off. There's actually been like a dinner hour in between. It's slightly sleeting, which means you can make it a bit more slippy, but there'll be slower drift, so we'll see how that goes. But it's good for tyres that look after your tyres more. Max's dad Dean has actually had to go and grab some fresh tyres from a tyre shop because the ones from that last session are absolutely near enough wrecked. So we're just going to grab something to eat, just having a look at some of the cars outside here as well. And like this nice R33. Definitely, you could hear that diff like completely locked going on.
Skipping when it goes down the corner.
But yeah, like I said, there is some nice stuff. You've just seen that Skyline and the S15 down there. There's there's a Focus ST. Yeah, that guy likes his orange, and then there's an RS. Just down there, you can just see that. That's quite nice. Some black accents on it, but it's getting a bit rainy. My dead cat on top of this camera is going to get a bit. I don't like it. If you don't know what a dead cat is, it's the fluffy bit on top of the camera. I'm not just being a cruel person. Right guys, as you can see, plenty of people are all packing up, getting ready to go. I think it's like the last session that are out in the minute. It's been such an amazing day. I've really enjoyed it. It's been nice getting in a car. It's been literally linked up through a whole track at full whack, and just the talent that Max has got is unreal. And I'm blowing smoke up his trumpet, but he deserves it, genuinely. My battery's about to die, so I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for watching. If you can still hear me, if you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe to the channel and click the little bell button so it reminds you when a fresh video comes on. And until next time guys, like I always say, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. Ooh, actually. Max, you've got to do the chop. You've got to do the chop into the lens. Oh, the sun's going. Angle unreal! I can't believe it's 13. Wow!
Even I was scared there.
You were still drifting on the straight. Oh my god! Oh.
I can't imagine how you feel if I was scared.
Yeah, like we're drifting through the tyres.
It's Tokyo Drift.
Yeah. Oh, I'm knackered and I weren't even doing anything.
Oh.
Are you out of breath as well?
Oh. Oh.
No, you're alright, go on.
You